All right, it is after the holidays. What is today? December 27th. Hope everyone had a good holiday, Christmas, as we go into the New Year's. I didn't have the best holiday. 3 days ago, was it 3 or 4? Wednesday last week. Just got a bad cold. I'm not sure if it's COVID, sinuses, couldn't breathe. Really knocked me down. And I'm very much, pretty much a healthy person. I don't get sick a lot. I've been weight training, 20 years of my life. I was a personal trainer for a long time. Excuse me. But this hit me and I can't get a COVID test. I'm not sure if I have that. It seems like a sinus infection. I've had this before where if anyone knows, I live in the Northeast. A lot of dryness, dry air. I have a humidifier, but you get a lot of sinus infections when it's so dry, your nasal passages. And it really, made me fatigue. It seems like everything like COVID, but I'm not sure. I have to get a test to be sure. It's about 5 days now afterwards, a little bit over. I'm feeling a little bit better. It's very slowly though, very slow process. My energy level is just like not there. I can do like a few things and I'm exhausted. So that stinks going into the new year. But let's hope for better days ahead. Now looking at some stocks, I've been gone to just to let people know they're very busy doing other things, other ventures, other ways of making money. I hope I can get back into this more in the new year. So, I hope to make more videos, more stock trading, swing trading. That's what I love to do. So let's check out some stocks here. CAN, Canon Incorporated. Let's see what they do exactly. Well, the market cap's 884 million on FinViz, income 88 million, sales 445 million. Doesn't have any insiders, ownership. Institution at 16.5%, float big 129 million. It's a China stock. I believe they're in blockchain, sale, integrated circuits, products for Bitcoin mining, involved in assembly products. They're in Republic of China. You gotta be careful what China plays. What this is in the Bitcoin blockchain space. Any news recently in this? December 21st, 10 biggest blockchain companies, that's Investopedia. They secured follow-up purchases on 30,000 Bitcoin mining machines. That's very good. That was the 15th. So, there's big potential here for this stock, even if it's a China play. Let's look at the chart. Let me bring this down. Let me get this out of here. These are lines. You can draw your lines anywhere you want. How you depends how you look at charts. Let me bring this over. Bring this right here. Now on a Fibonacci retracement, you can retrace anywhere you want. As far as top to bottom. If it breaks out and it comes all the way back, where you're holding that exactly, where you're putting your lines. Let me go here. See, I'm bringing this all the way down. The reason is too because it's a fairly new stock. This doesn't go back 10 years. You don't have to put it back all the way back. It would be like 2000 or something like that. It's pretty new, so I'm taking it all the way to the bottom, which was looks like about $1.50 around that area. January 2020, this went back and forth, up and down moves, but it was trending down. And then November, December, this got to excuse me, $5. And look at this volume. Big volume came in, and then this exploded all the way up to this wick, which is 39.10. And a lot of stocks, remember, they exploded that December, November, all the way to February, March. And look at this. Then it comes back. This is a typical move. On a front side move this strong, this absolutely crazy. You'll get a bounce. A little one here, came back, but not much. And then it came down this wedge, a nice falling wedge here. And the problem with this is it did come up slightly from this, 7 line to, 1153. It doesn't look that big from that, but that's a nice move there. But then it faded. It just wasn't enough. There's, bottom to top, and then it came back on another wedge. And then here we go again. It came back up, came back down, tried to bounce again. Looks like this 10 zone, and it didn't hold again. It came back again in October, started to bounce out. There's a nice candle here, and it started to go up. This line here, this 10 to 11, looks like, excuse me, significant line there. And then it came back all the way to 5. So they're tracing all the way down, all the way down to 150, pretty much the low. This is very oversold. 23.6 fibs is pretty much at 10. And what I like about this stock, it's a triple bottom now. You're holding pretty much 6, just below. You can call it, what's this line right here? Actually, not 6, 532, a little bit below near 5 now. Doesn't have to be exact. Excuse me. Doesn't have to be exact. But look at the move. Down, up, down, up, down. It's going to go up again. Is it that simple? Nothing's that simple. But on stochastics, you can notice when this has been down, you get a nice move up, oversold. And remember, this is 80 overbought, 20 oversold. And if you get above that and below that, it's even extreme levels, even more extreme. So you have a move here, here, and then another one here, and it came back up. This is just starting now. I can see it right here. I would look for this. Again, where's your top going to be in this? Remember I did the CEI video? I was all over that, crushed that. I hope people, caught that, understand what I was talking about. Watch this 10 to 11. This is the zone right here. Look at this cluster. 1, 2, almost 3, and 4. That would be your spot here. So I'm looking for ultimately 10, 11. This swing, could be a month. And then let me see here. It has to come above, as all these do very slowly, slow process, 5, 6, 7. And then we'll see, in this zone what happens. Let's look at the weekly. See, the weekly at a crossover became bearish, but it's very wavy, this one, where the 20's over the 13 EMA. See the run up? White over red, that was all bullish. White over red, sideways right now, which is a good sign. It's not really going down. But you can see this channel, you can call it, it's back and forth like a W until eventually this should break back up. With Bitcoin and all this, it made a big run before. I don't know if we get back here. If this can get above, eventually 15, 20, could get another move like that. No one's positive. Nothing positive for sure. But we'll see on that. But I still like this level. Look at this. Nice, nice. And your stop's pretty easy right now. Pretty much at 5 level on this. You're swinging this. All these stocks too, I point out, you can be a swing trade. A lot of them are swing trades looking at like the longer frame. And of course you can day trade too as well. Stocks. But a lot of people talking about this. And with Bitcoin and blockchain, they're involved with this stock. What was the other news here I saw? To secure Hive blockchain, 6,500 Bitcoin mining machines. That was October 29th. And there was another one. It was December 15th, 30,000 mining machines. Genesis Digital Asset exercise first phase of purchase option. Excuse me. Try to get through it. Try to do some videos. Trooper. So that's what I look for now. So look for the move on this. And these took about a month. Just starting now. We'll see if this goes into January 22. Maybe Bitcoin will heat back up. Looks like another base in Bitcoin. So we'll see what happens here. And there it is again. So look for this to get eventually to 10, 11. That would be a great move. That's a double. You got to be careful. This is a China play. Anything can happen, especially in China plays a little bit scarier. But let's look for a move up there. We'll be back on this to check if there's any kind of moves or it starts to move up. So that's it for now on CAN. Check it out. Check out my YouTube, my Cayman Trade alerts. And what else I got there? I have a Patreon to put a few videos. I'm gonna try to put some buy sell levels for swings up there. Stock twits, Mike Cayman alerts. Instagram, Mike Cayman. I don't even know what my Instagram is. Mike Cayman trades, I think. TikTok, Mike Cayman trades. Twitter, Mike J trades. Twitch, I never use. Mike Cayman alerts. And check out my affiliate links below. This is what I'm using, TC2000. It is the best software for charting. There's like no one can match it. You can do anything on here. There's so many different things to use on here as far as technical analysis. And to protect your computer, check out I have a Trust Zone VPN. If you want to protect your computer, a VPN, you can put it in as like a ghost mode, meaning you're not in United States. You can put it in like Indonesia, France, Africa. So when the IP address comes up, it comes up there. They can't track you. I believe they're in St. Charles off of the African coast. So they don't share information with the United States, all that nonsense that goes on here. All right, so check it out. We're out for now.